Okay, so I'm looking at this, and you've correctly identified for each part the derivative in which you're supposed to be taking respect to. So for like this first part, it's saying it wants the marginal cost of a car. So the car is x. So therefore, it's saying find dc dx. Okay, partial derivative with respect to c of c with respect to x. So therefore, there's no x's, 0. There is an x, so 5,900. You got that right. Now there's no x's, so that term's gone. Minus, now in this term, there is an x, so therefore you have to just leave your constants there. E, so the derivative of e is whatever you see. Okay, then the chain rule times the derivative of the inside. So now it's like having a new problem. We're going to fill in here, we're going to fill in this parenthesis block, we're going to fill in what would the derivative of x plus y be. Okay, if we just gave you that function, just said, there's your function, find the derivative with respect to x, what would this be? Well, it's two terms. I have x plus y. So the first term, x, derivative of that is 1. Plus the derivative of y with respect to x is 0. So therefore 1 plus 0 just makes 1. So therefore, there we go. So our derivative, oh, excuse me, I'm a big fat liar. Let's try that again. It's a negative 0.01 times x plus y. There we go. So you may want to distribute, so that would be negative 0.01 x minus 0.01 y. So now when I do the derivative of c, let me give myself a little more room. Okay, so now when I do the derivative of c with respect to x, get over here. There we go. So the x, this first term, does have an x in it, so therefore the 1 comes out to the front, making it negative 0.01 times 1, minus, there are no x's, so that would be 0, so it's negative 0.01. So therefore, that little blank that we were filling in wasn't 1, it wasn't 1 plus 0, I apologize, it was negative 0.01 minus 0. So therefore, our chain rule is just going to be multiplying by negative 0.01. So that's going to give us, over here, 5900 minus, well, minus and minus times a minus makes a positive. Multiplying this by 100th, we'll just alter this number by a few decimal places, so 2 of them to be exact. So it's going to be, let's see, the decimal place would be right there, so that's going to make it, what, 1,000 if I'm seeing that right? So 1,000 e to the negative 0.01 x plus y. So yes, your answer still has an x plus y in it, and I'll even pop over here and show you. So you can see the answer. That's the kind of answer it's looking for, is just something, with the variables, and that's fine. And you can see the next answer, very similar. So just try to do it the same way, and you should get the answer.